Hey y'all, Chef Andy from Crane Food Service Solutions. Today I want to share with you the Longwave from Middleby Marshall. We're going to be looking at a conveyor char grilling platform. This is one of a kind in the industry. It's a really cool piece, so let's dig in. Operating the Longwave is going to be just like any other conveyor process where consistent product in leads to consistent product out. We've got split belts on this machine. These are able to be stacked 3 high, giving you 6 different cooking zones in 3 temperature settings. So what we'll do is we'll adjust the timing of the belts to pass product through to affect the doneness of a product as it passes through a static temperature cavity. Inside the cook chamber here, we've got 4 independently controlled infrared elements. Those make for great energy transfer without a lot of air circulation within the cavity. Helps to cut down on flavor transfer. Those elements can go between 300 and 1200 degrees. So we've got a great range of cooking. We can do anything from bake preparations, lightly roasting product in a prep cycle. Somewhere in the middle of that temperature zone, we can get into flatbreads, Detroit style pizzas, sending some more delicate proteins through here, things like fish or chicken breast that we don't want to hit with that really high heat to compromise the texture of the product. We can also get all the way up to, again, 1200 degrees, where we can send steaks through here, fajitas, really any sort of protein items, but we also have great control on cooking vegetables. If you want a charred broccolini, any sort of glazed carrot or anything like that, those items become automated with the Longwave. All I need to do is place them on a tray and walk away. Gone are the times of me tending a grill, tending a range, standing static in the kitchen, attending to one dish at a time, where I can move all my products through here and go on about my other tasks while they're cooking. Standard control platform on the Longwave is going to be Middleby's one-touch controller. So we've got a touch screen, very similar to using your phone, very minimalist controls, very easy to operate. Once we've got our programs there, we can actually save presets. So we've got different temperature settings that will automatically populate, different belt speeds that'll go along with those for our menu items. We can adjust the temperature of each of the 4 elements independently, upper and lower at the entrance and exit of the cavity if we want to start low and finish high, to do some browning at the end, or start high, finish low to kind of sear and finish a product. We can go both applications, whatever our menu mix needs. We have an upper and lower belt here. Those are going to indicate the front and back, so I'm able to differentiate between what speeds I'm setting on which side of the machine. After our program has been completed and our presets have been locked in, we can lock all of the programming abilities behind a password so that operators and cooks in the kitchen can't go ahead and change anything on us. As soon as we get our menu items dialed in, we'll lock all those features, and the only thing we'll be able to do is cook perfect product. This unit is actually self-cleaning. So we've got an icon down here that we can press on the menu. It's going to prompt us to be sure that we want to clean. And if I hit that yes, this machine's going to crank up to 1600 degrees, burn off everything inside, and all I have to do is sweep it out when it cools down. Great solution. Saves a lot of time on cleanup and breakdown in the kitchen, as well as making it easier to maintain. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching. We're happy to share any more information about the Longwave. If you want to get in the kitchen and test this with us, contact your Crane rep or one of the chefs, and we'll be happy to help.